So this is the very short hands-on demo of the do-while loop. This is the exact same example that you saw in the slides. We have an unsigned integer called counter initialized to 1. We have a do-while loop. Inside the do-while loop, we print out the value of counter as an formatted as an unsigned integer, followed by a space because we want to print these out on the same line. And in the conditional statement of the do-while loop, we pre-increment the value of counter, meaning we add 1 to it, and then we check if the value of counter is less than equal to 10. As long as that is true, we keep executing this loop. I only added a return 0 statement after the do-while loop, which makes no difference to the point this example is trying to make. So this is all. Let me run this once. And there you go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Because there's not much else interesting in this particular example, let me run this. Let me step through this. So F5, I set a breakpoint right on the line where we define the counter variable, and let me step print. See, there's a 1 already on the command line in the console. Step, I can see the 2. Step, 3, step, 4, step, 5, step. We're up to 8. We're up to 9. And now the value is 10. We haven't printed it yet. We print it. The value is 10. We have reached the conditional statement of the do-while loop. The value is 10. The value will be incremented first and then compared with the value 10. Of course, when we increment it, 10 becomes 11, and 11 is no longer less than or equal to 10, which means we will exit the do-while loop. The output remains at 10 as the last number on the console window, and we exit the program. There you go.